My name is Kathleen Callahan, and I am the owner of Xpertech Auto Repair in Englewood, Florida. I testified before Congress because I believe in my heart consumers need to be able to have the choice of who has access to the data in their vehicles. Auto manufacturers are going to a platform that locks independent aftermarket out. Dealerships have an advantage over us because they have direct access to the data. We have to work twice as hard to find and trace what the actual challenge is and what's going on with your car. This data is really important, and it is bipartisan and growing with support because it affects each and every one of us. I support the Repair Act because I want to protect my legacy, my customer's choice, and the independent aftermarket that I am so proud to be a part of.